you know.
Yeah.
There have been 10 moments unforgettable.
10 moments.
10 moments are you refia in a year.
Okay.
Yet mean deleting fan frame. Now the 10th one no ebe Abranti friend Julian Quinones.
Mexico
yes, Mexico.
Yeah.
Ordinarily, you'll be a wound or Colombia.
Oh, okay.
Only you Colombia or you're Colombian. And when you're going to boat team and in the Tigres, they were Mexico. And into Osina kind of honor no, and no naturalized the man Mexico.
Oh, okay.
But no more year call up or moon friend because they had not accepted him. And no dear home to move free her. A course Saudi. To of course Saudi this season was set 30 goals.
Oh, Saudi Pro League.
Yes. And now when you're Kenya Babira national team no more. And I am here don't wait me a carry national team no one about it.
So you see,
it's a nice story.
Because energy now no the bobo no. You could see say or person or tell country they say no. That thing medru maso.
Yeah.
Me okay. Because ball now no bone obia or hey game bia or hey Mexico game bia be was a boy in the ball now no bone. As a career sort of extra energy be no the body game no.
Yeah, and because of that, no, Emmanuel special.
Okay.
Because of that, no, so now the fighting spirit no was so, and they were sure said mean free her, young woman waha. But everyone met me aye, enti Gideon Monya Omimuno, excellent and so our honor, and all their carry team. The second moment, the African story against xenophobia.
Okay.
Mexico against South Africa. And Africa, South Africans, we support our own.
But
because of South Africa for xenophobic attacks or met out to other African nationals, Africa for say that game you best support to Mexico. It looked as if say Yakushia baby, Yakushia this Ababa baby in Africa for this uncommon. It was so organic, it was so pure. Mexico for Nankasa cry because say who support that more life like so much no more boy, you know. Not Mexico for any support to Azteca Stadium no. Na yeah other Africans also on social media and support no massively. I think my next moment team and didn't crash out it me by World Cup no for the first time. Omo buy Germany. Omoni Germany Boria na Germany assure almost 7-1. After losing 7-1, they expect to say emotions. But who's the football near Boria na no Jude Bellingham near Argentina for Boria you could try Valentino back with 3 home. What I say? Born near Boria no lose to emotions was so kakadi who ya say Jonathan Tamo and some other German players and you Kurasa for na kabomu bompaye bomu.
Yeah.
Born a boy, you know.
Yes.
No more come who bomb pie boom. And that showed us that football is uniting us in our diversity.
Yeah.
We are from different places near Abesia, but born a kaya boom. And into your bobo no so we are. And Tokwanasa competition abanawe, diakaye, friendship, and humanity. And for me, that was one key moment to show you say we are competing there, but first of all we are humans. And I'm growing the kind of boom and sana ateti mu. My next moment, a timer. One was a Abranti a friend no following Balogun.
Yeah.
Okoje red card.
Yeah.
And a Donald Trump. A train phone Fred. FIFA president say omunye be been found. I mean was see a review and a FIFA review ebe so big controversy say red card there this is not the procedure. Later on number cheche mu say enye FIFA president omo free ye na mo review officially omo throw the ma committee na tena se review Football has a way of writing its stories. Following Balogun Bejinemu, Belgium share US 4-1. And my US film. A thought that football story near tra. Dia obey bia to mean sasano. If destiny speaks in football, whatever you do, you cannot change it. Balogun now she goes Oshia Belgium and an streak in the end there. In fact, touch in the box in that game, he was struggling to find a touch in the box. And for me, that was one very key moment in defining football and how unpredicted it was. It also shows that power brokers are part of the game. There's always a possibility after say nipa 11 na ye pack no so bi so we kire a obetimi determine influence game no. And for me, it is an important lesson for all of us. My next moment Argentina and England. Omo poor match ni wie ya na Argentina for wi ni no. Ena Giovanni Lo Celso ene Lisandro Martinez eko fa a flag a poster bi a ya tro Falkland Island no ehun sem dia to so asama wo translate the ba English say the Falklands are Argentine. Next time from Omoni UK for ntoko omoko kunye in 1982 are more than 500 Argentines no omu was awo num omoko ku over sa asase na enei even Falkland for no kra kwakoye referendum atu over 99% some they want to remain under British UK British rule. But Argentina for nendo do trim say Falkland Island no e ka omo ho. And for me, it shows how football can never exist in isolation. Okay. Football no and any pass it and it is together. It has been weaved together with us. My next moment, time Jeremy Doku, a free Belgium camp. So Nhyira now, fantastic idea. Me crank asana me very good pa. Now 10 of events said events na kwa are completely DNA test bibia kire say abofra de din di praise say be onim Jeremy Doku free baby oni no kra numunsuo baako no ma benya moja baako to show that for a player over nipa dodo omo chance on represent Belgium na Jeremy Doku kwa nya sa kwanya no among 26 selected players no we jack camp no ho to come and prioritize on his family. Nem konko wie kra na chese ho kra na nkenu so kompo in the first place no. Na ya sefem. It's a nice story to write about human beings say. Nipa dasani, you can never know what has been designed for you.
On doku die no. Now omo koye DNA on that.
Yes. But on kasai on kan ho asem, but that is the truth.
Sir.
Yeah.
There's a confirmation be anya my on that.
On kasa on ho.
Sir.
But that is
but from all checks now
oh yes. What throw on Instagram so crass women. What throw women are scam. What throw women are scam. On Instagram page so. That is for Jeremy Doku.
But from me checks, the minimum say no correct.
Yes,
from me check the minimum say no correct.
We hope say
anything that maybe sasa no. So
we hope say no correct because on also throw an Instagram page so say women are scam. And na ma ya yet ye draw connection say ye bia de ye tete ne ye den.
We dey intro so.
Now my next moment here, the moment team and in this Spain. Mikel Merino free bench by or Beshire Portugal. And now before World Cup, you know, the last dance I had Cristiano Ronaldo, 41-year-old Portuguese player before so Beba pitch no so now Portugal and J trophy da. Wabeje 3 trophies there ma Portugal. We thought say the debates between who is the GOAT no. Yeah, there's our World Cup winner Babe settle. Okay. And I think Cristiano is also Babe Bibi on the World Cup stage. That's striking moments. Mikel Merino de ball no 2 net num. Mikel Merino de ball no 2 net num. Ewie ye omuyi Portugal free mu. Na we Ronaldo fan bia na wo hwa de be si utrim ye. Daddy Lumba nyomo boy o se mempa ebonie. Ano kasafa oba yatiwa a ofin suta no woda. Daddy Lumba wuye. Journalist Korisha Sama Menu Bisa and say that Lumba Bonyo Mao. Now or see or bomb pie saying and go pon ma you fun now fan wo. Now to me we are na the stern face, the disappointment am amene the car say me an woda. She Cristiano Ronaldo and him after that game. No rest supporters now osuna. That was the same expression. The sad realization that this is the end
for Cristiano Ronaldo
as far as the World Cup is concerned. Very emotional moment. My last moments in the game for this World Cup. When Iran players Omoba World Cup no Omobe tana Los Angeles Omobo games Omobo Los Angeles owie ya omoko fie no ena omujai letter ewo dressing room ho omutro letter handwritten na omode tare board na ewo dressing room na omode tactical analysis no omode baako e de tare so ena omuja no ho. Now this is what the message says. Was it from the ancient Persia of thousands of years ago to the civilized Iran of today, the spirit of Iran remains alive and steadfast. #168 #Minap Mebao. We came to Los Angeles with pride, we competed with honor and live with dignity. Thank you, Los Angeles, for your hospitality, and thank you to every Iranian who gave their heart, voice and soul for Iran throughout these 180 minutes. May peace, respect and friendship prevail among all nations. Now, nobody expected say Iran or no ni US aircon. Oba World Cup wie no di ni dwuma wo US wie. Na so kwa or the message or the respect any peace beto so.
Okay.
And for me it was very iconic. Now #168 no na agenda kakra wo.
I want agenda
na say 28 February 2026 US ni Israeli for Bombay school bi ewo Iran emma school children emma 168 ewuye, and because of that no eno enana omode eye na school no ewo baby efe no Minap eninti eno omode #168 no e de eto so to send a message of both war and peace to football lovers. Nyame admo watching a game no. South American champion versus
quick one
European champion. It is the first time I was such a final. It will be between organization and structure, and then athleticism and flair. Messi the flair never Enzo Fernandez no more the athleticism never count. The game will be defined by one thing. After Kylian Mbappe money Spain boy, Kylian Mbappe be criticizes France for more pressing no. I think that is what will determine this game.
Me that's it.
Pressing.
Me that's it. Mame